Hey, it's Beth. Welcome. I'm excited today to be part of the KCC 18 Crafty Critta Super Sponsor Hop. And not only did Crafty Critta sponsor the quarterly challenge this quarter by providing a prize, but they also provided the design team with some items to craft with to share inspiration for you for the sketches for this quarter. So I have today the Christmas Faith foil art. It's really just like geometric patterns. Kind of some big and bold ones as well as some smaller ones. And then I also have the Smile Sentiment Pack. And it's got a bunch of different variations of the word smile. But then, I mean, you can see it's like got several like large, small, like smile sentiments, but it's also got a couple sheets of other sentiments that can either be used with the smile or on their own. Like there's sending smiles, bright smiles, but then there's also things that can be used on their own, like you are fabulous, sending warmest wishes. So kind of a very versatile, fun foil art pack. I also have this really pretty pastel floral paper pack. It's 24 sheets, and their pads are 6x8, and it is double-sided. So these gorgeous florals and then pastel patterns as well. So I'll be playing with that today. And then to go with the foil art, I have the Silver Hearts foil. So that's what I'll be playing with today. So let's get crafty.
I've pulled out a couple of the foil art sheets to laminate, and I've cut a little bit of foil to go on top. I'm doing one sheet or like a half sheet of the kind of sentiments that go with smile, and I just put both of those items in my carrier sheet and ran it through my laminator. My laminator has been heating up for probably about 30 minutes, so should be good and hot. And then you can see the sparkle on all of those sentiments. Figured I'd just go ahead and do the whole sheet, and then I have it ready and I can use it as sentiments whenever I need them. And then I also picked a half sheet of smiles, the word smile. And then you can see I did some of the Christmas faith patterns as well earlier, just so I could have like some background. And there's my smiles. Now that my foiling is done, I am going to work on my cards. I am starting with sketch 7. I figured this was a good one that would kind of showcase several or a couple different patterns from the paper, and I could incorporate the foil. So I just took 2 different patterns and cut 2 strips from each. So Kendra's card challenge is a quarterly PDF that Cards by Kendra puts together with cutting guides for 6x6 sheets of pattern paper, and then card sketches that help you turn those 6 sheets into usually at least 15 cards. This quarter it happens to be 18. And in the description box below, there's a video from Kendra that she tells you how you can download the quarterly PDF. She does ask that you sign up for a free Patreon account to get the PDF. Here I decided I wanted to bring in a little more foil, so I brought in some double-sided tape. This is just scrapbook.com double-sided tape, and put it on either side of my green band that goes across the center of the card. And then we'll just, after I get my card mat laid down, I will just lay kind of like the remnants of the foil sheets that I used earlier for the sentiments. I will lay those on those strips and just use a bone folder to kind of burnish it down really well, and then that will give me kind of some shiny strips, kind of like what the Love from Lizzie strips are. And it's a way to use up some of the scrap foil that I had. And then I decided I also wanted to even up that, or I guess not even up, but also put a dividing strip there. at the bottom of my pattern paper strips. So I do the same thing, put the tape down, and then lay the foil across it and burnish it really well. So this card is going to have a lot of shine. So I don't know. You can let me know if it's too much shine. It was more than I intended to do, but I don't know. So you can let me know if you think it was too much shine or if you can never have too much shine. But I took the patterns that I had foiled off camera and punched 2 of the circles that the sketch calls for from those, and then one from another pattern paper from the paper pack, and we'll just kind of group those together there in the center, and then we'll put my sentiments down at the bottom. I end up going with ascending smiles on this one, and then just kind of like did a bubble cut basically around the smiles, just so that it would fit better in the space at the bottom for the sentiment. If you don't want to make all of the cards in Kendra's PDF at one time, each sketch does have individual like measurements on the individual sketch. So like what I'm doing now, you can, do one card at a time, and kind of work your way through the sketches. It's really nice that, or if there's, one sketch that you particularly like and want to revisit sometime in the future, you can just make that sketch with those measurements. You don't have to go back through the cutting guides and try and figure out what each one's supposed to be. But again, Kendra's video will be linked in the description box below. Another nice thing about Kendra's card challenges is there are always a lot of prizes, a lot of opportunities for prizes. So one of the easiest ways is the giveaway form that's linked in the description box below. You can, after you watch my video, click on that form, fill that out and submit it, and then use the playlist that's linked in the description box below from all of the design team members using Crafty Krita products today. Hop along through that playlist, and then you can submit the form from all of their videos as well for multiple chances to win. I'm moving on to sketch 8 now, and this one I didn't intend to do much extra foiling on it, but I put that strip across the card a little high, like with the glue on it, and so it kind of left a mark, and so I wanted to cover that up, so I end up bringing in some more of that double-sided tape and scrap foil to hide my mistake there. So you can see I'm like, oh, my half circle is not going to fit. And then the half circle, the strip, I used paper from the pattern paper pack as well as the card mat, and then the half circle is from one of the designs that I foiled in the beginning. And then we'll just be bringing in another set of sentiments. This time I'm using Smile, You Are All Kinds of Lovely. So again, this one has a little bit less, more of an understated shine than the first one, but I still think it turned out pretty. Other ways to have chances to win with Kendra's card challenges is submitting photos of all 15 of the cards together in one photo to her InLinkz party. So on the PDF, there should be a QR code that you can scan, and it'll take you to the InLinkz party page, and only the current month's link should be active. So you have you can submit one photo of all 15 cards once per month, each month of the quarter. So we finished up with April already, but you still can submit photos for May and June. You can also submit photos to her Facebook page, which is also linked, or I think there's a code on the PDF for that as well. And you can do the individual card photos there for chances to win, putting them in the appropriate albums that are set up on her page. So many chances to win, and it's with the support of super sponsors like Crafty Krita that, provide us prizes to give away to all of the participants. So we really appreciate our super sponsors, and we appreciate Kendra. She also tends to donate a lot of prizes from her stash as well, or monthly memberships to her Patreon site. I do like to add scraps to the insides of my cards. It helps me use up scraps, and it brings some color and interest to the inside of the card as well. So here's my second card finished. Here's a final look at both my cards. Please be sure to check out that description box for all the important information, the playlist, the giveaway form, Kendra's video, and links to Crafty Critta's products that I used today. I had a lot of fun with foiling. I'm still fairly new to it, but am having some fun. So thank you guys so much for your time today, and I hope you all have a very crafty day.